As an industry expert, you should be able to demonstrate a deep understanding of your industry trends, something out of the ordinary. One powerful strategy is to utilize your database of engaged clients and contacts and survey them. Leverage the feedback and data into reports. You can even rope in academics who complement your topics. That will add more weight to your findings because we all love a boffin. Publishing an industry report gives you an obvious reason to issue a press release and generate a buzz around what you've discovered. This could then be pitched at your specific industry press and business press, and certainly at a local level where they are likely to pick it up. There are other benefits too, such as being positioned as the go-to person in your industry, expanding your knowledge, and obtaining a better understanding of your market, and helping others to make informed decisions. Remember, if you publish a report that is genuinely useful and full of new insights for your industry, it will be read, shared, and published more widely and create better opportunities. And finally, don't forget to have some fun with it. You could even host a launch party and invite clients along. This would be a super business development tool because most people won't be brave enough to try it. And that's why you'll really stand out.